Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to learn Minecraft Java PvP. Start by installing a trusted PvP client and configuring FPS settings for smooth gameplay. Practice strafing, sprinting, and block hitting in a slow lobby to build muscle memory. Set consistent mouse sensitivity and keybinds for faster reactions. Play short duels to test adjustments and focus on tiny improvements each session to turn practice into reliable skills over time. In this video, I will explain how to learn Minecraft Java PvP. Drill tracking and flick aim with targeted exercises to improve hit consistency under pressure. Work on block hitting timing to manipulate knockback and create favorable encounters. Combine strafing with timed critical jumps to maximize damage output while minimizing incoming hits. Focused, short practice sessions beat long, unfocused play, so plan drills and review replays to identify one small tweak each time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that save time and stop sauce disasters after long practice sessions. They stack neatly in a backpack and keep snacks fresh between duels, which is perfect for tournament days or marathon grinding. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a set if you want simpler meals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to learn Minecraft Java PvP. Review match replays calmly to pinpoint mechanical errors and poor choices for targeted improvement. Train resource management like hunger, sprint toggles, and potion windows to avoid avoidable disadvantages mid-fight. Practice decision-making drills that teach when to chase, retreat, or switch targets under pressure. Keep a growth mindset, celebrate small gains, and schedule regular practice to steadily climb your skill curve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.